Hi, I'm Larry Nowak, Vice President of Variety Food Services Dining and Vending Division. Today I'd like to introduce you to the interactive vending machine. The interactive vending machine offers a full 46-inch touchscreen display. You can access full nutritional information of any product. You can shop individually through the product categories. It also allows you the ability to display videos and or pictures. You have access to gaming and remote monitoring of the inventory in the machine and the machine status. The interactive vending machine offers both cash and credit acceptance. I'd like to take a few minutes to show you some of these features. First, I'd like to show you how to gather nutritional information of one of the products. Over here we've got a baked Lay's product, and we'll look at the back of the bag to see what the nutritional information is. As you can see, the large 46-inch display clearly states all the nutritional information listed on the back of the bag. Another feature I would like to demonstrate for you is the ability to shop by category. So let's take a look at shopping by chip category. As you can see, we've limited our choices now to just the individual chip products that are available in the interactive vending machine. After reviewing this, you could look at all products if you don't find the selection you're looking for. Let's go back. That wraps up our brief introduction to the interactive vending machine. The interactive vending machine truly represents the latest and greatest in vending technology. For more information on the interactive vending machine or on our vending services, please contact Variety Food Services or visit us at varietyfoodservices.com. Thanks for your time.